Hello my family, welcome to Bong Paradise. I am Gouri and today I am going to share this eye makeup look with you all. So let's go. I already filled my eyebrows off camera. Now I am going to use this concealer from my concealer palette with the help of a brush on all over my eyelids. Then I decided to go for my finger. As I already said, that finger is the most useful brush that we all have. Then I am going to spread that concealer on all over my eyelids up to eyebrow area. Then again I take this brush and shape my brows. Now I set my concealer with some translucent powder. You can use any powder, any compact powder. Then I am going to use this fluffy brush and take this color as a crease color and place it on all over my crease area like this. Take that color, then tap for remove the excess and then place it on your crease area. Drag that from outer corner to your inner corner. Then I am going to use this violet shade with the help of the same brush and use it under my crease area where I place the first color like this. First place the color on your outer corner, then drag that color towards your inner corner. Then I take this pointed brush, use this dark shade violet color as you can see like this. This is a highly pigmented color. With the help of that pointed brush, I take that color and place it on my outer corner like this. First place that color on your outer V and then drag that color towards your inner corner. Then I am going to use this shade from another palette. As you can see, this is also a pigmented color, but it's quite a shimmery color. With the help of the same pointed brush, I am going to use that color right under that color where I placed the other colors. Then I am going to blend all this color with the help of a fluffy brush. Then I use concealer with the help of a eyeshadow applicator and place it on all over my lids like this. This process is called cut crease process. If you want me to do a details video on this process, do let me know in the comment section below that. Then I take a padded brush, use this purplish shimmery color with the help of that brush, place it on all over my eyelids for that glittery look. Then I am going to use this dark violet color again with the help of a small pencil kind of brush and create a kind of look. I also use that color on my inner corner for a dramatic look. If you don't want that, you can absolutely skip this. I am going to mix these two colors, black and violet, with the help of the same brush and place it on my outer V corner like this and try to create a wing like a look. And then I am going to blend everything with the help of a fluffy brush. Then I take this black eyeshadow with that same fluffy brush and place it on my crease area for a dramatic look. Again I am saying, if you don't want the dramatic look, you can absolutely skip this step. I already put my makeup off camera. Now time for the lower lash line area. For that I am going to use that pointed brush and take that color which I used on my crease area, place it on my lower lash line like this. Then I am going to use a eyeshadow applicator and use this purple kind of color on my lower lash line. Then I take this pencil brush and use that dark violet color like this and use that also on my lower lash line, but very gently with soft hand. Now time for liner. For that I am going to use this liquid liner. You can use any kind of liner or kajal as well. Try to create a winged eyeliner, and I hope that I am able to create that, because as we all know, winged eyeliner is quite a tough job for everyone. I did that. You can see the final look. Now I am going to use this kajal and slightly draw a line on my lower lash line very softly, a thin line. Then I am going to smudge that kajal with the help of my finger. Now I am going to use a white kajal and line my waterline. If you don't want that, you can absolutely skip this step as well. I am using false eyelashes. If you don't want that, you can easily apply 2 to 3 coat of mascara for this look. And this is the final look. If you like this video, then give this video this. If you have any question relating this makeup tutorial video or anything, then put that down in the comment section below. And you can see my new videos on every Tuesday and Friday. Tuesday as Makeup Tutorials Day and Friday as Facts Day. You can also follow me on my social media accounts, link in the description box below. Please subscribe my channel Bong Paradise and hit the bell icon, then you will be notified whenever I am on YouTube. Love you all.